Hi my friends, on March 27, 2024, Inventor 2025 was released. This is the first moment when I open this new Inventor. You can find out what's new in this new release of Inventor by using this option. You'll see there are many improvements on the new version, including translators for 2025. I want to present you only one new improvement by activating one of my last models, this one. You know this object, and you have also the drawing. I eliminate this corners round, which are here, delete, even if I lose something here, because I want to have edges for presenting new possibilities. I eliminate also these two holes, and now I apply something. You know the Flange tool. You see we have here a properties dialog box, and this is very mobile everywhere. Even if you go to another monitor, yes, it stays here usually. Well, having this tool activated, I select an edge, and you see that you can modify the angle as you want, and also the dimension. More than this, you can select now another edge and you move both as you want. You want 60 degrees, 60, and because many times this kind of wings in new models are together, even if they are not symmetrical. The other news and other options we'll discuss in the future. The thing I like to change here is the option with the sketch auto project and grid lines for the sketch and dark presentation instead of the former one. Okay, the result is here. You can use Alt Fi for the options and to change only the graphics space using this. Now if you select a face for a new sketch, you have both grid and the projected sketch. We'll use Inventor 2025 from now on with these environments. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.